Hello, hello. Aishwarya, are you audible?
Yes, sir, you're audible.
We will wait for Miss Uma Gopal. Are you there? Can you hear me, Miss Uma Gopal?
Yeah, sir. Just now I can hear you.
Fantastic. Okay, now we just waiting for
Sir?
Srimati Gayatri Chandrasekhar. Is she likely to join?
Yeah, she's just joining, sir. Just a second.
Only we can start.
Yeah, 1 second, sir.
Yeah.
Sir, namaskaram. Sangeeta here.
Oh, ma'am. Well, great.
Good evening, ma'am. Good evening, ma'am.
Good evening, girls. Good evening.
Okay, ma'am. We just waiting for Srimati Gayatri Chandrasekhar.
Yeah.
Ma'am.
When she comes online, I'll request Aishwarya to introduce her. After Srimati Gayatri Chandrasekhar's introduction is over,
Yes, sir.
then we can, Aishwarya will introduce you also. And then we'll have one word of say hello from everyone. A word of hello. I am so and so from this place, and this is what I am doing. Maybe not more than 10 seconds per individual. Then Aishwarya will again introduce Miss Aradhana, Kumari Aradhana. Then we hand over to Aradhana, and Aradhana will do the performance. Then we can wind up. It should not take more than 20-25 minutes as a whole. Yeah, okay.
Right.
So, welcome everyone. Hari, I can see you. Gayatri Garu, I can see you. And Maithili ma'am, Geeta ma'am, Seema ma'am, and Miss Uma, and Mr. Kalyana Sundaram, you're there. And Dr. Gopal, vandirukara varla illaya, madam?
இல்ல சார் அவர் கொஞ்சம் பிஸியா இருக்காரு.
He's a busy man, okay.
I'm online, da.
Okay.
Aishwarya, can you tell me, three of them are there, you know? Ramya, are you there? Yeah, Ramya is there. Okay, Madam Gayatri, I think Madam Gayatri.
Srimati Gayatri Chandrasekhar.
Yeah, okay. Srimati Gayatri Chandrasekhar, I can see, ma'am, namaskaram.
Namaskaram.
Fine. Just waiting for you. Welcome everyone, and I hand over the proceedings to Miss Aishwarya Raghunath, the team event coordinator and the technical support person for this evening. Aishwarya, with you.
Thank you so much, sir. Good evening, everybody. Thank you so much for attending this event. I would like to start by introducing Srimati Gayatri Chandrasekhar. Srimati Gayatri is one of the best Bharatanatyam dancers that we have in our age, and has a history of enchanting her audience by her sheer passion towards her dance. And her accomplishments in the field of Bharatanatyam are plenty, and she has established herself as a loyal patron of the dance form by finding her own academy, that is Nritya School of Art, in 2009. She went on to do her Arangetram at the age of 12 and was under the guidance of Guru Kalaimamani, Srimati K.J. Sarasa, one of the most sought after classical dance maestros in the field of Bharatanatyam in Chennai. And this is where her passion encountered sheer excellence. In May 1995, she made her international debut as a member of archaeologist Dr. Nagaswamy's internationally acclaimed dance troupe, with an overall 35 performances staged across Germany, Canada, Sweden, USA, etc., and many other countries, and she earned her incredible fame as a lead dancer. And Srimati Gayatri Chandrasekhar is currently heading as director of Shekhar Logistics Private Limited in Bangalore, proving it again and again that when it comes to wearing many hats, it's the women who do it with their best. Thank you so much for coming here, ma'am. Thank you so much for attending this event, and it's really an honor for us to welcome you here. Thank you.
Thank you so much. Thank you. It's a pleasure to be here.
Yeah, and I think Gayatri ma'am is also a Kalaimamani, right, ma'am? You're a Kalaimamani, correct?
No, Natya Kalaratna. Natya Kalaratna.
And her guru, Srimati K.J. Sarasa, is a very big name. in the field of dance, and she's, I mean, one of the legends who has produced phenomenal, a plethora of great students, including great, film actors and dancers. I think even Jayalalitha ma'am was a student for some time, right, ma'am?
Yeah. In fact, yeah. And she also had a big school in Coimbatore until she passed away. It was a very well-established school. Sarasalia is the name.
I'm from Coimbatore. I have a reason to know.
Yeah.
Well, we have people from all over who joined us. I can see Nishkriya come from. Okay, can I request now individually, people take, ma'am, Gayatri ma'am, I'll come back to you. Before that,
Definitely.
everyone to say a word of hello to you. And we can start individually, one each, just take one line to say your name, where from you are, and what are you doing with, under whom you're learning what, especially that is the kind of, reverence we have for all. Please start. I think, Aishwarya, you can have a line of introduction about Srimati Sangeeta Kulshrestha also, about Nrityanjali. Aishwarya?
Yes, sir, yes, sir, definitely. I'm taking this opportunity to also introduce you all to my guru, Srimati Sangeeta Kulshrestha. Welcome, ma'am. Srimati Sangeeta is the founder of Nrityanjali, and it was founded in 2010, and she has grown up in Kuwait and has learned Bharatanatyam, and she is continuing to follow her passion by running the school with about 75 to 80 students currently. I'd like her to say a few words and express her thoughts here right now. Thank you so much.
Okay, Aishwarya, I can do one. With all
Thank
people.
you so much.
Yeah. My own mother
Thank you
is,
so much, Aishwarya.
my mother has joined Srimati Shanti Mahadevan from, just joined. Aishwarya, one thing, all of us will do one thing. I'll just strike and we'll do the Namaskar Adavu for all of them. It is reverence, the salutation, what you guys can give to all the gurus and seniors available. Anyone who's a Bharatanatyam dancer available out here, do the Namaskar Adavu. Aishwarya, can I start?
Sure, sir.
Okay, with you, okay. Okay, I think that is the
Thank
salutation.
you.
Yeah, from all of
Thank
us,
you so much, sir.
all the gurus. Yeah, and
Good
ma'am,
evening to all. I'm sorry I can't speak too much today. I'm down with COVID and recovering. But it's a pleasure to be here. I'll be silent. Aishwarya can continue. She can take over. It's a pleasure. Thank you, everyone, for joining us today evening, and looking forward to the performance. Thank you.
Thank you so much, ma'am, and thank you so much for joining despite your health.
Thank you, Vita.
Really appreciate it.
Okay, can I request the students of ours from Nrityanjali first finish the introduction, then we will go with everyone then. Aishwarya, can you technically can you unmute everyone? Can you mute them later? You can unmute everyone.
Yes. So I'd start by introducing myself. My name is Aishwarya Raghunath. I am a disciple of Sri R.V. Tyagarajan, as well as Srimati Sangeeta Kulshrestha and Srimati Swagata Sen Pillai as well. I've trained under all these models, and I've been trained in Bharatanatyam. I'm still learning since the past 19 years, and I am also currently learning Kathak since the past 1 year. That has been my journey, and it's been very, very beautiful. And I belong to Coimbatore, Tamil Nadu, but I've been brought up in Noida. That's about it. And I'd also like my sister to introduce herself.
Good evening, everybody. My name is Aditi Raghunath. So we're both from Noida. I've been learning Bharatanatyam for the past 9 years, and I'm also a disciple of Srimati Sangeeta Kulshrestha.
Now I'd like the students of Nrityanjali to introduce themselves. Adya, can you please unmute yourself?
Good evening, everyone. I am Adya Abhi, and I am also a disciple of Srimati Sangeeta Kulshresht. I've been learning Bharatanatyam since 10 years. It will be 11 this year. And I belong to Noida. I've been born and brought up in Noida itself.
Thank you, Adya. Arpita Didi, are you? Thank you so much.
Namaskaram. My name is Arpita Mandal. I stay in Jahan Nagar. Before that, I used to stay in Noida, and where I was in Noida, I used to take dance classes under the guru of my guru, Sangeeta Kulshresht. And now I'm doing the classes through online in Jahan Nagar. Thank you so much.
Okay, Ananya, are you there? Ananya Nair? Is she there? No.
No, sir, Ananya is not feeling well today, so she did not.
Oh, okay, guys, I must say, all Nrityanjali के जितने भी बच्चे हैं, I am fortunate to teach them theory of dance and Natuvangam and Thalam procedures and all that, which as a dancer one must know. So just trying my kind of support for the people for the cause. Okay, now can I Aishwarya, can you take on? I can see them scroll wise. I'll tell the name for them. Right? Will it be comfortable for you? Okay.
Yeah.
Gayatri ma'am, I'll get back to you at the last. We want to hear from you a little longer. Maybe after.
Definitely.
Maybe after.
Definitely.
Okay. Amma Shanti Mahadevan, madam, can you speak something, Amma? Amma, क्या कर रहा हो ना? Amma.
Can you unmute yourself, please? Yeah. Thank you.
Hey, okay, thanks. Amma, thanks for being here. Amma's joined from Dubai. Okay, Ramya, can you say a few words? Ramya? Ramya Balaji, quick.
Yes, sir. I'm Ramya, a disciple of Yajnaraman sir, learning music. And I'm also doing PhD biotechnology in Chennai. So that's what the short. Thank you. Thanks for being here.
Devu, Sima ma'am. Devu and Sima ma'am. Can you hear? No? Okay. Devu, yeah, quick. We're running short of time. Yeah. Devika.
You're not audible. You're not audible.
For you. Devika, she is a Fauji kid. She's daughter of Colonel Madhusudan Nair and Srimati Seema Nair. Seema ma'am also served in the army and retired there at Kolkata. She's also an aspirant of Bharatanatyam and music. She sings well, very well. Okay, Amritodbhavi, yeah.
Hi everyone, I'm Amritodbhavi. I'm a disciple of Yajnaraman sir and learning music right now. Thank you.
Mr. Suresh. Yeah, quick.
Namaste, sir.
Yeah.
Sir, I'm here at Bangalore now.
Okay.
From Sainik School, Kodagu, PGT Mathematics.
Yeah, I was there with you before.
My daughter, Aparna.
Nice. Okay, Maithili ma'am.
Good evening to all. Hello, sir. How are you?
Fine. Maithili ma'am is the secretary for Sunaina, an upliftment program at Delhi, and Sapna Atawar, Bharatanatyam dancer and an accomplished dancer of Delhi. Very good. Maithili ma'am ke baad, can I request SB Kalpana? Okay.
Namaste, sir.
Sandhya.
Good evening. My name is Sandhya. I've been learning music from Yajnaraman sir for the past 1 year. And I'm a mother of 2 kids. So hardly I...
Thanks. Shri Abhay.
Namaste everyone. I am actually a new disciple of Yagna sir. I've been learning flute from him from the past few months. And it's great to see you all. You guys seem to be from all over India, if not all over the world. It's great to see all of you. Great
Thank
to see
you.
sir has so many connections too.
Okay, and Mr. Thanks, Mr. Lawrence. Mr. Lawrence. Okay.
Hello.
Yeah,
Is
Mr.
it
Lawrence.
audible?
Yeah,
Is it
it's
audible?
audible. Yes. Yeah, quick.
Yeah. I'm just a light music singer. I don't have much knowledge about dance and all. Just I wanted. So I'm a spectator here. So
Thank you, sir.
all
Thank
the
you.
best to all the best to the participants.
So Lawrence is from Chennai. Okay, Miss Nishkriya Janaki Raman from Ireland. Quick. Nishkriya, are you there?
Yeah. Am I audible?
Yeah, you're audible. Open your video.
Oh, yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. First of all, very good evening to everyone. So, I have no experience in music, so I don't have musical knowledge, but it's a pleasure to meet you all. So I'm looking forward to learn a lot. I'm just a light music singer. That's about it. Yeah.
Oh, nice. Mr. Ramachandran from Palakkad. Mr. Rama. Mr. Rama, can you hear me? Okay. Mr. Bhuvan Joshi from Tanakpur, Uttarakhand. Mr. Bhuvan Joshi, are you there? Okay. Mr. Yashwant Thakur from Delhi. Okay. Mr. Chaitanya from. Yeah, okay. Okay. Okay, let me say, I think they're taking time. Can everyone hear me? Let me introduce themselves. Mr. Chaitanya is a pilot, Indigo pilot, is from Mumbai. Mr. Yashwant Thakur is an entrepreneur from Delhi. And we have Redmi Note. Who's Redmi Note? I don't know really. Redmi Note. Vaibhav Andu is again a disciple of.
Good evening, AK sir. Redmi Note is Suganti Sri Krishnamurthy.
Suganti ma'am from Chennai. She's an accomplished vocalist. She performed for Prometheus a couple of times. Thank you, ma'am. Thanks for having you around.
Thank you, sir. Thank you very much, sir.
Master Vaibhav Handu and Madam Handu from Delhi, Noida. Vaibhav Handu is our disciple doing music. Miss Shrija from Chennai. Shrija is a Bharatanatyam dancer. She's also performed for a competition. Jayamani, are you there? Can you hear me, Jayamani? Jayamani. Matangi Ramakrishnan from Cobra, then Nigeria, right? Matangi, Nigeria?
From Saudi.
Okay. And Mr. Raju Garimella from Hyderabad is our student learning violin. Miss Neelima from Tirupati, her student is her daughter Pranati Ati is our student learning vocal. Miss Rabia Rai from Delhi, Noida, Bharatanatyam disciple of Srimati Sangeeta Kulshrestha. And Sripriya, Anandi, are you there? Sripriya.
Yes, I am there. Can you hear me?
Sripriya happens to be my Vadya's daughter, and I had known as a small child. She's a yoga expert. She's joined us from Chennai. She's also got a lot of interest in music and dance. And
namaste, all of you.
Okay. Sivash, who's Mr.
Shiva Swarup is my son.
Oh, he's a Mridangam Vidwan. Okay, he's also there.
Yes.
Anybody else there? I think they're done. Okay, right?
My father is not able to join because he doesn't have Zoom app in his phone.
Okay. Appa sir, are you there?
Yeah, very much there.
Okay, I was just scrolling. Appa sir, a word from you, please, quick.
Namaste. My name is Pooja.
Okay. For others to decipher, Simba Manta Vasundhara, she is a Bharatanatyam dancer, disciple of Sapna Atawar from Delhi, and child for us, aspiring dancer. Hari Krishnan, Hari is joined from Coimbatore. Hari, are you there? Yeah.
So good evening. Good evening, sir.
I would request everyone to mute. Aishwarya, just keep me unmuted. mute everyone. Let me.
Yes, sir. All right, all right.
And there's a lot of echo coming. Hari Krishnan is serving Air Force officer. He's presently posted at Kalekunda, but he's come here to Coimbatore with us. He's staying here with us, doing a professional course. He's a flight lieutenant of the Indian Air Force. We also have Tata Party of Aradhana there, Rukmini Mami and Tataji. It's very nice to have you around here. We also have Srimati Gayatri Lakshmipati, Dinavagi Gayatri Lakshmipati, and Miss Shri Kuti, Shri Pravartika. They are my students. They come from Hyderabad. Anyone I'm missing? Redmi Note, Abai, anyone? Everyone is there. Okay, fine. I think we are done.
Yes,
Mr. Bhuvan, are you? We are done.
Yes,
Okay.
sir. Yes, sir. I'm there, sir.
Yeah, Bhuvan,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Nice. Okay.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.
We are connecting with them almost after 15 years. Wonderful. Okay,
Right, sir.
fine. Gayatri ma'am, thanks for being patiently listening to everyone, because it's the first occasion. We have done online incidents, we have done on YouTube, we have done on Facebook, but this sort of interactive platform, we thought of doing it for the first time. Geeta ma'am, can you hear me? Geeta ma'am, yeah, Geeta ma'am Geeta ma'am and Mr. Kalyana Sundaram from Coimbatore. I had known them for decades, 2-3 decades. Their son was my student 3 decades before, Arun Ramakrishna. He was at Jakarta. Now, Aradhana, can you hear me? Aradhana, are you there? Aradhana, are you there?
Sir, I can hear you.
Yeah, very good. Okay, Aishwarya, can I request you to introduce Aradhana to the audience, and we will hand over the proceedings to Aradhana. It's already 8 o'clock now. We've taken about 20 minutes, so we'll try to do this.
All right, so thank you so much. I'll just introduce Aradhana. So Kumari Aradhana Ji, daughter of Srimati Uma Gopalakrishnan and Dr. Gopalakrishnan, studies at Shishu Griha School, Tipasandra. An aspiring dancer, she took up Bharatanatyam at the tender age of 7. Trained in the Vaduvur Bani style under the guidance of Guru Srimati Gayatri Chandrasekhar, she has then gone on to finish her Salangai Pujai and perform at prestigious stages such as Someshwara Temple, Bangalore, RR Sabha, Chennai, and Pranav Cultural Academy, Hosur. With dance, she has developed strong yet sensitive attributes. She has shown immense interest in yoga, books, choreography, and drawing. At the age of 13, Aradhana successfully did her Arangetram under the able Guru on 19th January 2020 at CMRIT Auditorium, Bengaluru. She is also learning Carnatic vocal under Wing Commander Yagnaraman and IAF and Founder President Ramayas Coimbatore. Thank you so much. Welcome, Aradhana, and we look forward to your performance.
Okay, fine. Before Aradhana, you're setting the stage, I would thank Tata Party, Rukmini Mami and your Tata for having been patiently sitting behind you, because I was wanting them to be seen by everyone. Rukmini Mami and Mama, thanks for being there. And Aradhana, can you set up the stage? I'll take 30 seconds to tell the connect. I also welcome Sri Venkatakrishnan, my Anna from Chennai, who had joined. Ananya, are you there? You also joined? Ananya has joined, right? Okay. All those who have joined now, welcome again. I'll tell you a short anecdote how it happened. Where Aradhana did her Arangetram at CMRIT Auditorium on 19th of January 2020. Just a month before, on 21st of December 2019, at the same auditorium, we conducted a vocal Arangetram of my disciple, Kumari Ananya Sridhar. Ananya Sridhar happens to stay in the same colony of Miss Uma Gopal and Dr. Gopala, where they're staying in ACS layout. Miss Uma, can you hear me? Are you there with me? Miss Uma Gopal?
I'm with you, sir. I'm hearing to you.
I'll just tell the story as Aradhana setting up the stage. On 21st of December 2019, I was told later that Aradhana's parents were there in the audience, it seems, in the same auditorium. And as luck would have it, their Arangetram, under Guru Srimati Gayatri Chandrasekhar was coming up. It was just a month way to go. So they were there in the audience and they saw the entire program going through, the Arangetram of Ananya Sridhar. Right, ma'am? I'm just borrowing your words. Uma, ma'am.
Yeah.
And after that, maybe, we finished and all. We never met, we never spoke. I did not know even they were there because there were so many. and I could hardly interact with anyone. And I had to come back from Hyderabad. I touched Bangalore, and I had to come back to Coimbatore the same afternoon. We had to rush up back. So later on, when the story unfolded, Srimati Uma Gopal told me, sir, we were there in the audience that day, and we just came to see the auditorium to finalize our proceedings. As luck would have it, that was our first meeting. In fact, we met you before, though you have not known us. So that is how our connect started. That's really wonderful. Okay, I think we will hand over the proceedings to Kumari Aradhana, and I would request all of you to sit back and relax. We will witness the wonderful dance by Kumari Aradhana. At the end of the program, I would request her guru, her Bharatanatyam guru, Natya Kala Ratna. That's really, really wonderful. At this young age, she has achieved so many awards and accolades. Srimati Gayatri Chandrasekhar will be speaking to all of us after the program. Over to Kumari Aradhana, to you. I think Aishwarya, you can mute all of us and unmute only Aradhana.
Yes, sir. I'll do that, and I'll also spotlight Aradhana so that she can, she's viewed on focus for everybody.
Yeah. Because Amrita Vahini, are you there? Amrita Vahini had some online classes. Amrita Vahini, are you there? She's the General Secretary for Pramayas. She had some online classes today. That's why she's a German trainer. Amrita, are you there? Okay. She's there. Amrita Vahini, can you hear me? Okay. Aradhana with you.
My first item for today's evening will be Ananda Nartana Ganapatim in Adi Talam in Natai Ragam.
Ananda Nartana Ganapatim Bhavaye Ananda Nartana Ganapatim Bhavaye Mooladhara Omkara Rajavadanam Paramam Mooladhara Omkara Rajavadanam Gananuta Shivashakara Manasa Dinamanim Sanada Munindra Gananuta Shivashakara Manasa Dinamanim Sanada Munindra Gananuta Shivashakara Manasa Dinamanim Tandri Laya Samadita Gandharva Kada असमानं भजमानं असमानं भजमानं प्रणव अडितं मजितं वरदं शुभदं परमं कनकाम्बरद एकरदनं कति तकघटं गणपतकदि तकघटं गणपतदि रकघटं गणपतदितो तयते तकघटं गणपतकदि तकघटं गणपतदि रकघटं गणपतदितो
Oh, that's really wonderful, wonderful, wonderful. Aradhana, you want some rest, 2 minutes, or you? You can start, Tilana, right? You can introduce the item and start. Thank you. Okay. Adana Kutuhalam. Okay.
Nadar dar dhim tanana tum, nadar dani nadar dar tum, nadar dar tum, tetil nana nadar dar dhim tanana tum, nadar dani nadar dar tum, nadar dar tum, tetil nana nadar dar dhim tanana tum, nadar dani nadar dar tum, nadar dar tum, tetil nana nadar dar dhim tanana tum, nadar dani nadar dar tum. Nadadum, tetil nana nadadum, tanana, tum tadadami nadadum, nadadum, tetil nana nadadum, tanana, tum tadadami nadadum, nadadum, tetil nana nadadum, tanana, tum nadadum, tetil nana nadadum, tanana, tum.
Sorry, Aradhana. Bangalore ஆடுனா ஆடு தப்பு இல்ல, because there is no other event after this. ஆடிடு. கூட பாடுறவா பாடலாம்.
Mangalam Jaya Mangalam Mangalam Shubha Mangalam Mangalam Jaya Mangalam Mangalam Shubha Mangalam
Wow, super. Okay, Ananya, thank you. Ananya, sorry. Aradhana, thank you so much. Yugandhar, are you there nearby? Yugandhar, is he there? Yeah. Aradhana, have a glass of water, go and relax. Quickly, if Yugandhar can arrange the chairs behind you. Let them be seated on the stage. It looked like a mini Arangetram itself. Yugandhar, can I count on you? Thank you, Kanna. Okay, Aishwarya, if you can unmute me to be heard by everyone.
No, you are heard.
Okay. Yeah, before I request Guru Srimati Gayatri Chandrasekhar to speak, I think I must speak my heart to say this. You will not believe that the thought of doing this program happened just yesterday. And my first point of contact was Miss Aishwarya Raghunath, who's a tech savvy. I asked Aishwarya, how about doing it? Because today is supposed to be our class day, but I don't think, we overshot that time. Rupani mami, okarungo, please okarungo. Avri mama mami kuptrungo. Uma ma'am, are you there nearby? No, you logged in from your hospital, I believe. Uma ma'am? Aradhana, amma irkala, athal irkala, illa liya?
Sir, I'm in the hospital. I watched the whole event. I'm there with you.
Okay. Very good. Now, this entire thing happened just yesterday. Because Zoom, we have done it on YouTube, done it on Facebook, YouTube, record channel. So this was the first time it happened. And I think we have done a good job. In the sense, of course, Aishwarya and Aradhana put together the team. I think a great round of applause to Aradhana and Aishwarya. They are the people who got this event done. Plus, Aishwarya would dance patti சொல்றதுக்கு ஒண்ணுமே இல்ல. ஏன்னா ஒரு குழந்தை ஒரு 13 வயசு குழந்தை இவ்வளவு அற்புதமா ஆடுறதுன்னா 99% அதுல நம்ம குருவை தான் பார்ப்போம். அங்க சுத்தியா இருக்கட்டும், அபிநயமா இருக்கட்டும், அடபஸோட கிளாரிட்டியா இருக்கட்டும், ஒரு தீர்மானம் கரெக்டா உழறதா, இடத்துல உதறதா, இது இட்ஸ் சம்திங் அமேசிங். அது என்ன ஒரு விஷயம் அப்படின்னா, இந்த அரங்கேற்றம் ஆயிடுத்து 2 வருஷம் ஆயிடுது. கோவிட் குழந்தைகள் பிராக்டிஸ் இல்லாம இருக்கும். நேத்து நான் கேட்டேன், உமா மேம் தான் கேட்டேன், முதல்ல நான் ஆராதனை கேட்கல, உமா மேம் கேட்டேன், மேம் கேன் வி டூ இட் அப்படின்னு கேட்டேன். எஸ் சார், ஷி வில் டூ அப்படின்ட்டான். She didn't even check with Aradhana. See the kind of faith and trust they had. அம்மாக்கும் பொண்ணுக்கு என்ன ஒரு ட்ரஸ்ட் கனெக்ட் பாருங்க. நான் ஆடுவா சார், நோ ப்ராப்ளம். நாங்க முதல்ல ஒரு நம்பர் தான் பிளான் பண்ணோம், ஒரு 1 நம்பர். அப்புறமா seeing the things, இன்னைக்கு தான் சாயங்காலம் ஒரு 1 hour முன்னாடி தான் சொன்னேன், Aradhana can you do தில்லானா சேம் அதே தில்லானா பண்ணிடுறேன், நான் பண்றேன் சார் அப்படின்னு. It looked as if she was practicing for this even for the past 1 month or so. Aradhana, a great round of applause. It was switch. அரங்கேற்றம் பார்த்த மாதிரியே இருந்தது. It didn't look like a off the cuff program. So nice. நாங்க எல்லாரும் ரொம்ப என்ஜாய் பண்ணினோம். In fact, Miss Vani Ramji joined us little late. There is also another dancer with us, our young girl Ananya Surapaneni from Dubai. Ananya, are you there? Surapaneni garu, can you hear me? Ananya Surapaneni?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, Ananya, are you there?
Yes.
Oh, wonderful. See, Aradhana and you are of almost same age. Ananya is again a fantastic Kuchipudi dancer. And I think very soon we will feature her also. Ananya, is it okay? I take the liberty of telling this. Can we feature you? Cheyochi kada?
Yes, sir.
Great, great. I'm so thankful to each and everyone who have joined. Fantastic job, and thanks to Aishwarya. Aishwarya is our Girl Friday. We can count on her. She said, yes, sir, ho jayega. Don't worry, ho jayega. And ho gaya. Only thing is, in this bargain, we may have to miss the class. Aishwarya, please don't count the class today. We will do it in a day or two. Today is no class. Okay, we can't have the class further. We've seen such a wonderful Bharatanatyam program. Doing a Disha Alaripu or talking about this thing will not hold any water. And Aradhana and Tata Party continue to stay there. I request the Guru and ma'am, we want to hear from you a word of blessings to all the little one budding talents, and consider everyone as their own children. Ellaru. So, Ando or Bhavanila, it's your time. Whatever time you want to speak, please speak your heart. And we are very thankful to you for such a very busy artist, such a busy guru amongst your busy schedule and times. I never thought that you will be able to make it, with such a short notice. We are very, very thankful. Pramayas thanks you so much. And maybe if I can request you, then I'll have a word of thing from both from Aishwarya and Aradhana, the stars of the day, both of them. So Gayatri ma'am, over to you. Aishwarya, can you spotlight on the Guru?
I'll just do that, and ma'am's on mute, so I'll just.
Okay. Meanwhile, okay. Yeah, I can see you, ma'am. We can see you.
Om Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. First of all, thank you very much for having me here in this platform. Tonight, almost close to about 11 o'clock, Uma எனக்கு phone பண்ணா இந்த மாதிரி உன்னால வர முடியுமா அப்படின்னு. எப்படி ஆராதனா வந்து கண்டிப்பா பண்றேன் அப்படின்னு அவ அம்மா வந்து ஆராதனாக்கு பதிலா கண்டிப்பா அவ பண்ணுவா சார்னு எப்படி சொன்னாலும் அதே மாதிரிதான். My relationship with Uma goes really very deep. She's one of my best friends other than being Aradhana's mother. First எனக்கு அவ தான் friend, அதுக்கப்புறம் தான் ஆராதனா student. ரொம்ப ஒரு I was very, very happy when she actually mentioned your name and she said இந்த மாதிரி we are planning அப்படின்னு சொன்ன உடனே ரொம்ப சந்தோஷமா இருந்தது. And at the end of it, நம்ம ஒரு ஸ்டூடெண்ட் நம்ம கைக்கு வரது நம்ம எவ்வளவு கொடுத்து வச்சிருக்கோமோ அதே மாதிரி ஒரு ஸ்டூடெண்ட்டும் ஒரு குரு கிடைக்கிறதுக்கு ரொம்ப கொடுத்து வச்சிருக்கணும். That holds good for every single guru and student in this platform that I'm actually watching today. All the students are full of enthusiasm and full of love for the art that they're actually learning. Actually ஒன்னு சொல்லணும்னா ஆராதனா வந்து இந்த மாதிரி ஒரு ஸ்பேஸ்ல கண்டெயின் பண்ணி ஆட சொல்றங்கிறது ரொம்ப கஷ்டம். ஏன்னா she's full of energy. என் டான்ஸ் கிளாஸ்ல வந்து அவ அரங்கேற்றத்துக்கு பிராக்டிஸ் பண்ணும்போது அவ கூட யாருமே என்னால ஆட வைக்க முடியாது. ஏன்னா அவ மூஞ்சில குத்துவா, கையில குத்துவா, கால்ல அடிப்படும். ஏன்னா எனக்கு வந்து என்னோட குரு கத்து கொடுத்தது ஸ்டேஜ கவர் பண்ணி ஆடணுங்கிறது. அது வந்து நான் அப்படியே ஆராதனாக்கு சொல்லி வளர்த்திருக்கேன்னு நினைக்கிறேன். அதனால இந்த மாதிரி ஒரு கண்டெய்ன்டு ஸ்பேஸ்ல ஆராதனா ஆட வைக்கிறது பார்க்கணுங்கிறது இஸ் வெரி டிஃபிகல்ட். அண்ட் ஐ வாஸ் சோ ஹாப்பி. அண்ட் ஐ ஆராதனா மட்டும் இல்ல, நீங்க சொன்ன மாதிரி இங்க இருக்கிற ஒரு குழந்தையிலும் நம்ம குழந்தைகள் மாதிரி ஒரு குருக்கு. அண்ட் I mean this probably all the gurus will be going through. I actually contained myself. இதுவாத நிறுத்த ஐட்டம், அபிநய ஐட்டத்துல அவ ஆடுறாளா இல்ல நான் ஆடுறாளான்னு தெரியாது. ஏன்னா அவளோட எக்ஸ்பிரஷனுக்கு ஏத்த மாதிரி நானும் இங்க சைட்ல நட்டுவாங்கத்தோட ஆடிட்டு இருப்பேன். And that is the pleasure that a guru gets. ஒரு பெர்ஃபார்மிங் ஆர்டிஸ்டா வந்து இன்னைக்கு நிறைய பேர் வந்து we don't see students of performing artists because they are busy looking at their own slots and looking at their own performances. Anna, this is one goal of mine which I have decided to do, is get all my students on stage while I'm still dancing, and that is very, very important for me. எங்கெல்லாம் ஆட வைக்க முடியுமோ அங்கெல்லாம் எனக்கு ஆட வைக்கணும் அந்த குழந்தையில. ஏன்னா நான் இருக்கிறச்சு அவளை ஆடி பார்த்து அந்த சந்தோஷம் வந்து ஒரு குருக்கு ஈடு இணையற்ற ஒரு சந்தோஷம். I'm sure all the gurus here will take my side. And நீங்க சொன்ன மாதிரி இது வந்து கிளாஸ் சார். ஏன்னா லைஃப் லெசன்ஸும் இந்த மாதிரி ஒரு அப்பப்போ நம்ம நடத்துற ஒரு ஃபோரம் தான் லைஃப் லெசன்ஸ் கத்து கொடுக்கும். எப்ப பார்த்தாலும் நம்ம கிளாஸ் கத்து கொடுத்துட்டே இருக்கோம், ஜதி கத்து கொடுத்துட்டு இருக்கோம், பாட்டு கத்து கொடுத்துட்டு இருக்கோம். அந்த மாதிரி ஒரு சிச்சுவேஷனுக்கு நடுப்புற இந்த மாதிரி ஒரு 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 செஷன்ஸ் நடக்கிறது வந்து இஸ் சம்திங் வெரி பியூட்டிஃபுல். பிகாஸ் ஆஸ் அ டான்சர் நான் வந்து the kind of life lessons that I've learned from my dance school, my guru, அவ பேசுறதுல இருந்து எல்லாம் ஒன்னொன்னு கவனிச்சு observe பண்ணிட்டு இன்னைக்கு வந்து it is holding a lot of water to me as a guru and as a performing artist, and this is very very important that I impart to my children too, and I'm sure I'm doing a fairly decent job, and I'm sure Aradhana will take this to places too. மத்த நம்ம கத்து கொடுத்த குழந்தை அப்புறம் அந்த குழந்தைகள் மத்தவாளுக்கு கத்து கொடுத்து இந்த லெகசி வந்து வந்துட்டே இருக்கணும். and I'm very proud to be a வழுவூர் பாணி student, and என்னால முடிஞ்ச வரைக்கும் இந்த வழுவூர் பாணியை வந்து கலப்படம் இல்லாம கேஜே சரசா அம்மாவோட ஒரு ஒரு blessings-ஓட நடத்திட்டு போகணுங்கிறது is my goal in life. And as I initially started saying, என்னோட டீச்சர் வந்து ஒரு 3 மாசத்துக்கு 4 மாசத்துக்கு ஒரு தடவை 1 மாசம் கோயம்புத்தூர்ல வந்து அங்க இருந்து ஸ்டூடெண்ட்ஸ்க்கு எல்லாம் கத்து கொடுத்து எவ்வளோ பியூட்டிஃபுல் ஸ்டூடெண்ட்ஸ் ஆர் தேர் ஃப்ரம் கோயம்புத்தூர் who she has produced, and it's very nice to know that you're from Coimbatore, and that itself is a beautiful connect. At the end of it, we are all from the same fraternity, and we should help each other grow. And talking about digitalizing today, இந்த மாதிரி ஒரு கஷ்டமான ஒரு நம்ம இருக்கிற ஒரு பேண்டமிக் சிச்சுவேஷன்ல இந்த டிஜிட்டல் வேர்ல்டு தான் வந்து இப்போதைக்கு நம்மளுக்கு கை கொடுத்துட்டு இருக்கு. I'm hoping and praying we all get back to stage, and for whether it's music performances or dance performances, all of us are looking forward so eagerly to come to this stage. அதையும் தாண்டி அந்த டயத்துல நம்மளால எப்படி பண்ண முடியுமோங்கிறதுக்கு இந்த டிஜிட்டல் பிளாட்ஃபார்ம் இஸ் a big boon for us. During the last 1 year, my students have extensively performed online, and என்னெல்லாம் opportunity கிடைக்குமோ, and Aradhana is also a recipient of a lot of awards online for being attending competitions too. அந்த மாதிரி எல்லா குழந்தைகளும் அந்த மாதிரி பண்ணிட்டு இருக்கா. So it's very important that we இதுக்கு கொஞ்சம் patience வேணும், and I'm sure all the teachers who are teaching online digitally will be facing this. It's very difficult to understand the pulse of the student and the teacher. It's both ways, இல்லையா? அதையும் தாண்டி இந்த குழந்தைகள் எல்லாம் வந்து they are doing a great job in spite of their school work and their dance work or music, whatever extracurricular activities. So it's a big kudos to all the children here who have opted to learn online and take your journey further. So God bless all of you, and my prayers to the Almighty to keep you all safe and sound during this very difficult time. Thank you so much.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you so much. Wonderful, wonderful. அதாவது ஒரு குழந்தை இவ்வளவு அழகா ஆடுறதுனா அவ குரு என்ன அழகா சொல்லி கொடுப்பா, என்ன அழகா ஆடுவா. So can I take the liberty of requesting your performance for Brahmayas one of these days? Digital கண்டிப்பா பண்ணலாம். It's really excellent. Let me also announce the presence of Mr. Jayaraman and his daughter, Ms. Haripriya from Madurai. And it's been years we haven't met. Thanks, Mr. Jayaraman, for being here. Also, Mr. Bhuvan Chandra Joshi is from Uttarakhand. Tanakpur, he's principal of a school. He's so much interested in Indian art and culture. And அந்த குழந்தைகளுக்கு வந்து maybe sometimes will possibly what I'm thinking is, Bhuvan sir, if you can hear me, maybe we will request for one performance by Guru Srimati Gayatri Chandrasekhar. It will be a kind of a leg dem kind of introductory Spik Makai Madri. That is what we do. In fact, Brahmayas is exactly on the lines of Spik Makai, which is when our organization was born in Bengaluru, only in Jalalli in the year 2004. Brahmayas is nothing but to promote art and music amongst you and society.
Sir.
So, we should plan.
Yes, sir.
Sir, can you hear me?
Yes, sir. I'm hearing you, sir.
Yeah. एक बार मैडम गायत्री चंद्रशेखर का प्रोग्राम प्लान करेंगे, which we will introduce this art form to your students.
Right, sir. Welcome, sir. Most welcome to everybody, sir.
Yeah. And thanks, Miss Vani Ramji from Hyderabad. I missed you in the initial time to see that. Thanks for everyone who've taken time to be here, all the way from Ireland, Dubai, and you talk of Nigeria, all over the world. Thank you so much. Now I need a word of encouragement from party. பாட்டி தாத்தா சார்பில் வந்து ருக்மிணி மாமி 2 வார்த்தை உங்களால பேச முடியுமா? அங்க உட்காந்துட்டே பேசுங்க, நோ ப்ராப்ளம். கேட்கறது இல்லைன்னா கேட்கும் எங்களுக்கு. அங்க உட்காந்துட்டே பேசுங்க 2 வார்த்தை. கேட்கல இல்லையா?
No sir, cannot hear.
மாமி கொஞ்சம் முன்னாடி வர முடியுமா? சாரி, நீங்க பேசுறது மைக்ல எடுக்கல, கொஞ்சம் முன்னாடி வாங்க. அவ்வளவுதானே.
Aradhana, can you help party get to the gadget, whatever you're using, closer? Take the gadget closer to her or get party closer.
அவ்வளவுதான். 2 words. தாத்தாவையும் பேச சொல்லலாம், but தாத்தா is I think.
Aradhana, it's on mute. Aradhana, your mic is on, microphone is on. Thank you.
ருக்மிணி மாமி. இல்லையே, கேட்கலையேம்மா.
Still not audible.
Aradhana, what gadget are you having in your hand?
அது மியூட்டா இருக்கு நினைக்கிறேன்.
No,
then I think
even if it was unmuted, it's not that audible. Like in the sense, I think there's a volume issue.
Meanwhile, Miss Uma Gopal,
Sir,
2 words from you. பேசுங்க. Yeah.
Am I audible, sir?
Yeah, I can hear you, Uma ma'am.
Sir, actually, it's a first and foremost, I'm overwhelmed seeing 2 gurus of Aradhana at the same point of time. For me, it is like I have no words, because I was going on watching I usually, more than watching Aradhana performing, I keep watching Guru watching her. I can see her giving all kind of expression. I think I turned a little emotional seeing her dance after a long time. And I'm, what for me the best is to see you, music guru, and Gayatri Chandrasekhar as a guru at the same time. And I'm really feeling very good today. And I have no doubts about the future of Aradhana right now. She is in the best hands ever. That's all.
We are missing Dr. Gopal now here with us. And for the audience to know, Miss Uma Gopal is again a corona warrior. She is an administrator and adam manager for their own hospitals. She is very busy. Even now she is logged in from the hospital only. Ma'am, can you say 2 words about your hospital? Where is it in Bengaluru? For people to know, just 2 words.
Yeah. I own one hospital called Ayug Multi-Speciality Hospital in ACS layout. And I have another hospital for management, which is Yashamati Hospital. One hospital is 30 bedded, another one is about 180 bedded. So currently I have about 100 COVID patients admitted in the hospital with about 20 ICU beds full. So we are actually running short of medicines too. All resources are short, insufficient, many insufficiencies are there, but we are overworking to kind of do the best to the patients. And today we are in this area one of the best recovery hospital, because already we have admitted and discharged about 350 patients of COVID recovered.
Wow, amazing.
Sir, Preeti ki na guarantee madri பிரீத்திக்கு நான் கேரண்டி, அட்வர்டைஸ்மெண்ட் மாதிரி உமா கோபாலுக்கு நான் கேரண்டி. ஏன்னா எனக்கு தெரிஞ்சவாளே எவ்வளவு பேரு அங்க அட்மிட் பண்ணிருக்காங்கிறது சொல்றதை விட அங்கேருந்து வெளியில வந்திருக்கான்னு சொல்றதுதான் எனக்கு பெருமை. That is the laurel that they both have been conducted, working very selflessly, day and night பார்க்காம they are warriorக்கும் மேல ஏதாவது ஒரு வார்த்தை இருந்தா அதுதான் அவ 2 பேரும்.
Absolutely great. Gayatri ma'am, if I can borrow 2 words, பிரீத்திக்கு நானும் கேரண்டி. ஏன்னா என் வைஃப் பேர் பிரீத்தி லட்சுமி. So பிரீத்திக்கு
I'm sure.
ருக்மிணி மாமிட்ட ஏன் எனக்கு ஒரு தனி பிரியா அப்படின்னா, என்னோட மாமியார் பேர் ருக்மிணி, பிரீத்தியோட அம்மா பேர் ருக்மிணி.
World is very small, sir. Connections happen in ways we cannot even think of. இன்னைக்கு நீங்களும் நானும் இன்னைக்கு பேசிட்டு இருக்கோம்னா இது ஒரு these are all connections which are divine interventions, which I always believe in.
From the day one, the connect that I had with the instant connection, it was with Gayatri the day I saw. Similarly, when I met Sir, that was an instant connect, and I'm not even feeling he's far. Like we've been chatting and we've been very nice, and I find very intellectual discussions with him too good. I mean, very nice.
Gayatri ma'am, there is one namesake of yours. She's also Gayatri. She's also sitting here. She's from Hyderabad.
Nice.
Gayatri Garu, can you say hello? What? Just being you being the namesake? Gayatri Garu? Okay. Hari, are you there? Hari Krishna. Hari Krishna has got a job to leave. Anyone who wants to leave can please leave. Let me, with folded hands, thank everyone. We'll just take 2 more minutes. And Rukmini Mami, over to you. Presungo. Yeah.
Unmute பண்ணி விடுக்கண்ணா. Yeah.
அம்மாவுடைய ஃபேவரட் காயத்ரி.
அப்படியா?
ஆமா.
பேருக்கே ரொம்ப பவர் மாமி. எல்லா கடவுள்கள் ஒரு தனித்தனி காயத்ரி, ஒவ்வொரு கடவுளுக்கும் ஒரு காயத்ரி உண்டுங்கிற மாதிரி இந்த காயத்ரி இஸ் வெரி பவர்ஃபுல்.
Thank you sir.
அவங்க அம்மா கூட காயத்ரி கூட அவங்க ஃபேமிலி எல்லாரும் கேட்பாங்க. ரொம்ப நெருக்கமா இருப்பாங்க, நல்லா பேசுவாங்க. அதுலயே அவங்க ஆடுற டான்ஸ்க்கு நாங்க எல்லாம்
என்னோட biggest fan auntie.
Okay. Chalo, great. Okay, and I think a word of Amma, can you say Amma? Kekara na pesar konakku. My mother is sitting there from Dubai. Shanti, pesaraya say okay, I'm start. Romba santosham. Okay. She's Srimati Shanti Mahadevan. நான் இன்னைக்கு இருக்கிறதுக்கான என்னோட முதல் ரசிகை, முதல் குரு எங்க அம்மா தான். அப்புறம் of course Preeti Lakshmi, Amrita Vahini, they're all there, you know. These three ladies have got a big say in my life. That's true. I have Geeta ma'am around here with me. I had known them for 30 years plus. That's amazing. Okay, Ananya, a word from you. Ananya, not Ananya, sorry, Aradhana. My fault. Thirumma Ananya ne varudhu enakku. Aradhana தப்பா நினைச்சுக்காத. என்ன அனன்யாங்கிற பேரு எனக்கு 3 ஸ்டூடெண்ட் மா.
இல்ல சார், அவ சீக்கிரமா வந்து she has to replace the name na, she has to prove herself and replace the name. அப்புறம் நீங்க எல்லாரையும் ஆராதனான்னு கூப்பிடணும்.
Let me tell you, Dr. Bhuvan sir, are you there? Bhuvan Joshi sir. Okay, Bhuvan Joshi sir, for your consumption. Sainik School Gorakala ennachu, there was a girl by name Aradhana Tripathi. அவளோட ஒரிஜினல் பேர் வந்து பூஜா திரிபாட்டி தான் இருந்தது. Bhuvan sir, are you hearing me, Bhuvan sir? Okay. So அந்த பொண்ணோட பேர் வந்து பூஜா திரிபாட்டி. She was in class 9. I was a registrar there.
Yeah.
सर आपको एक दिन याद होगा, एक डॉक्टर आरपी की बेटी पूजा त्रिपाठी याद है आपको? पूजा त्रिपाठी.
Right, याद है सर, याद है सर.
Came to me, she tells me, sir, I want to change my name. I said, बेटा क्यों चेंज करेंगी? आपका तो बहुत अच्छा नाम है, बढ़िया नाम है पूजा. नहीं सर, पूजा starts with P. I want to change my name to Aradhana. I said, is it so? Yes. और दोनों का मतलब तो वही है, पूजा आराधना same. And she spelled herself AA, double A, the way Aradhana, you know, G is also spelled double A. So this girl in the year 2007, she got her name changed. Dr. R.P. Tripathi's daughter. She's a serving doctor now in Srinagar, Garhwal. I'm in touch with her. Our பேர் வந்து ஆராதனா திரிபாட்டி மாத்திட்டா எப்போ 2007 ல, and she was in class 9. அப்ப நான் சொன்னேன் அவளுக்கு, I told her, बेटा देखो मेरा नाम Y से शुरू होता है. Yugandhar, Yajnaraman, Yogesh, we are all very rarity, no? Y ला ஆரம்பிக்கிறது. So we will be at the last no அப்படின்னா. Sir कुछ भी नहीं सर, मैं नाम चेंज करना चाहूंगी அப்படின்னா. भुवन सर आपको याद है ये नाम, है ना?
Yes sir, हाँ sir, याद है. very much I remember it very much sir. You changed it sir.
Yeah, we got it changed through the sun. Okay, yes, fine. Sir. Okay. Aradhana, a word of thanks from you. Thank
you so much for I've been stuck in the house for so long, and it's been such a long time since
you've done a fantastic job, and you know we are very lucky to have you as a student. The reason is, first of all, now on the Gayatri ma'am, to be very frank, ஒரு 25 வருஷத்துக்கு முன்னாடி I didn't have great opinion about dance. டான்ஸ்க்கு பாடணும், டான்ஸ் பண்ணணுங்கிறது வந்து என்ன பெரிய என்ன டான்ஸ் அப்படின்னு நினைச்சிட்டு இருந்தேன் நான். The first time I had to perform for dance, that is the time it struck to me how difficult it is, how enriching it is. கீதம், வாத்தியம், நிருத்தியம், த்ரயம் சங்கீதம், இது 3 இருந்தா தான் சங்கீதம். அது எல்லாமே இருக்கிறது டான்ஸ்ல தான். ஒரு டான்ஸ் பெர்ஃபார்மன்ஸ்ல பாட்டு இருக்கும், நிருத்தா இருக்கும், மியூசிக் இருக்கும், அபிநயம் இருக்கும், சஞ்சாரி இருக்கும், ஸ்டோரி இருக்கும். ஒரு 1 ஹவர்க்குள்ள அவ சொல்ல முடிஞ்ச பல விஷயங்களை வோக்கலிஸ்டால மட்டும் சொல்றது ரொம்ப கஷ்டம். It's very, very difficult. My journey with, in fact, I must thank Aditi Raghunath, Aishwarya, our younger sister of Aditi. She is the one who got me to do this Zoom program. For 1 month, Aditi got me interviewed we spoke about Devadasi cult, and maybe had I known about Guru Srimati Gayatri Chandrasekhar, we would have requested her also that time. So I ended up in doing an interview for them. She did it on something like this, and she got it recorded, and it came out to be very nice. Then I thought, yaar, Aditi, तुमने बहुत अच्छा किया है. Then I requested Aishwarya. Yesterday afternoon, she said, "Sir, हो जाएगा. Don't worry, we will do it." And today it is done. So thank you so much, everyone. Now over to Aishwarya. Aishwarya, it is your show. You pulled it off so well. A word of thing from you.
Okay, thank you so much, sir. And firstly, I mean, what I would like to say is a very big thank you to you for having that faith in me and thinking that I would be able to pull this off. I mean, I'd be happy and I'm honored to organize this thing. And what I would like to say to Aradhana, I really want to appreciate her for her performance. I feel like after a very long time, I've seen Varur Bani style, and the movements were so different. And even though I have a lot of experience, I feel like I still learn so much from the younger generation, and it just feels so lovely to see such graceful movements and so much enthusiasm and dedication towards your art form. So I really from the bottom of my heart enjoyed your performance. It was very beautiful. Every single movement was very elaborate, very graceful, I would say that. And that speaks volumes about your guru, Gayatri ma'am. It was a pleasure having you here, and the way that you have trained your students, and not just Aradhana, but all of your students. It speaks volumes about you. I have no doubts that you'd be a wonderful guru, and I'd love to meet you someday. Yeah, I mean, I'm privileged to sit here and witness this. It's not just about me sitting here and organizing, but I did it for the very purpose of connecting with so many people and seeing so much talent out there. I feel really privileged. So thank you so much to everybody for everything. Thank you.
Thanks, Aishwarya. So nice of you.
Thank you so much. Thank you.
Valur Bani, Valur Sri Palaniyappan is my next door. It's about 400 meters from my house, and we are good friends. Today he's not available. Otherwise, last month he did an Arangetram. Ma'am, I'm sure you must be knowing him. Valur Bani. We are very good friends.
Very nice.
And Delhi one Srimati Usha Rao. She's from Valur School. And
Valur Bani also, yeah.
We have done a couple of Arangetrams for her. Thank you so much. Thank you, everyone. I think time is up. We will slightly like to wander. I'm thankful to everyone who made it possible today. And next time onwards, I may not bother you to introduce like this, everyone talking, because we will use the chat, because it's going to be a similar audience next time also. Today being the first such event, I thought let people know what is happening, let each other know each other. Now Pramaya's family and Nrityanjali have come, put their hands together to organize this event. I'm very thankful to Guru Srimati Sangeeta Kulshresht, and she is not keeping well. Ma'am, are you there? She's there or online? Ilya?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. I'm yes.
Oh, you're there. Okay.
I'm yes.
2 words from you, please.
It was just so amazing. I'm so glad that I was lying down and watching. I didn't have the strength to sit and watch, but it was an amazing performance. Gayatri ma'am, it was a pleasure meeting you. And
thank you, and similarly here from here too. Thank you so much.
Okay, guys.
Please take care. Please take care.
Before we wind up, Nrityanjali bachon, can we do the Namaskar Adho, please? Once more, all of you. Get start. Ella elders namaskaram, and my first pranams to my own Amma. My Amma, she's my first guru who taught me the basics of everything in my life, and I have a lot of love and respect.
This program is a dedication for Moms Day.
Yes.
Sunday, Moms Day, Mother's Day. So to all the mothers, this is a very important dedication from you. I'm glad it turned out to be so beautiful. Thank you so much.
So much, everyone. And Amma Namaskaram. Nrityanjali can stay back. Hari, thanks for being here amidst your busy schedule. Thank you, everyone. People may leave. Nrityanjali, stay back. Thank you, Gayatri ma'am. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much. Thank you.
Bother you. I want to often bother you.
Thank you, Anna. Thank you. Such a கண்களுக்கு விருந்து ரொம்ப நல்லா இருந்தது. ரொம்ப நல்லா இருந்தது. God bless that child and all your students. Thank you.
Okay, Sugandhi ma'am, are you there? Sugandhi ma'am.
Yeah, yes, sir. I am here, very much here. I'm enjoying the program so well. It is first time I'm hearing and joining with all happiness. Really, I had a very good time enjoying. The dance was superb, simply amazing. I have written all my comments, sir, in the chat. Thanks a lot, sir, for having invited me to participate in today's Zoom meeting. It's my pleasure that I could see this wonderful program. Thanks a lot, sir.
And in
I
fact,
wish all happy Mother's Day for all the mothers here. And I wish you too. Momiki namaskaram. Saroda அம்மாக்கு ரொம்ப நமஸ்காரம். உங்களை பார்த்ததுல எனக்கு ரொம்ப சந்தோஷம் மாமி. உங்க ஆசீர்வாதம் எனக்கு வேணும். Thanks a lot.
Okay, Geeta ma'am, Amma, stay back. Geeta ma'am and Amma would like to talk. Line la Amma line la irumma. Geeta ma'am line la irungo. And Aishwarya has also promised me that she will help me with the recording to feature this in YouTube sometime later. Thank you. Others may leave if you really want. Amritopavi, thanks for being here. We will feature one of your programs very soon. Thanks, Kanna. Aradhana, thank you so much. Uma madam, thank you so much. Others may leave, and Geeta ma'am, stay back. Amma, stay back. Nrityanjali, stay back. Others, kalambitala? Okay.
Some
Aishwarya,
are left, just a little bit. Some are left. They're just slowly leaving. Let's give them.
I would want Geeta ma'am and Amma to talk to each other. Amma, Geeta ma'am.
So can I stop the recording or should I keep it on?
You can stop the recording. Recording will show.
Okay.